Hello and welcome dear students. I am Shravan Kumbawat, your maths lecturer. We have started with the topic regression analysis, that is third chapter of maths part 2. In the last lecture we have seen the intro part of regression analysis, what is exactly the regression is, and some notations which were related with what regression analysis. Now today we'll see the formulae that are useful for regression analysis. The first formula for regression analysis is what? Covariance between xy. This formula was also there in 11th standard. So covariance between xy is given by the formula summation of x into y upon n minus summation of x upon n into summation of y upon n. Now we know that summation of x upon n into summation of y upon n is known as what? Mean of x and mean of y respectively. So this formula can also be written as x bar into y bar. Or the next alternative formula of covariance between xy in terms of mean deviation is given by the formulas x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon n. Means sigma means summation of product of mean deviation of x and y upon n, covariance between x and y. Next formula, second formula was variance of x, variance of x, so vx or varx, variance of x. This formula is given by summation of x square upon n minus summation of x upon n the whole square. Summation of x square upon n minus summation of x upon n the whole square, and we know that this summation of x upon n is mean x. So x square upon n minus mean x the whole square. This is the formula for finding variance of x. Suppose standard deviation is asked, then take the square root of this. Now in terms of mean deviation, the formula is summation of x minus x bar the whole square upon n. So we have two formulae for standard variance of y. This is in terms of mean deviation and this is directly in terms of one variable x square upon n minus x bar the whole square. So these two formulae are same. Instead of summation x upon n, we have written x bar the whole square. If you take the square root of this, then you will get standard deviation of y. Next formula, standard or variance of y, sigma square y, or variance of y, or VARY, variance of y, is given by the formula summation of y square upon n minus summation of y upon n the whole square. This formula can also be written as summation of y upon n. We can write y bar means mean y the whole square. So summation of y square upon n minus y bar the whole square. This is the formula for finding variance of y. Now next is in terms of mean deviation. This formula is given by summation of y minus y bar the whole square upon n. This is the formula for calculating standard deviation variance of y. If you take the positive square root of this standard variance, then you will get what? Standard deviation of y. So the first formula, this formula was also there in 11th standard for finding covariance between x, y. This is in terms of mean deviation of x and y. This formula is useful for calculating variance of x, and this is for variance of y. Using variance of x, you can find standard deviation of x by taking positive square root of variance. So these formulae were there in 11th standard. So the new formulae of 12th standard are, next formula is bxy. Now we know that we have seen the notations. Bxy means what? Regression coefficient x on y. So regression coefficient x on y is given by the formula covariance between xy upon variance of x. Now variance of x can also be written as sigma square x. So this is the formula for calculating regression coefficient x on y. Next formula is byx byx. Byx is given by the formula covariance between xy upon variance of y. Now variance of y can also be written as sigma square y. Variance of y can also be written as sigma square y. Next formula is what? This is regression coefficient x on y and this is regression coefficient y on x. Now regression coefficient regression line or regression line is also known as a regression equation x on y is given by the formula x on y. The equation is for x on y, so start from x. So x minus x bar is equal to x on y, so write down the regression coefficient bxy into y minus y bar. This formula is quite similar with what? A slope point formula of 10th standard. Next is what? A regression equation y on x. A regression coefficient, regression line or regression equation y on x. This is given by, here we are writing regression equation y on x means start from y. So y minus y bar is equal to y on x. So write down regression coefficient y on x into x minus x bar. These are the equations or these are the regression equation or regression lines, linear regression, which are useful to predict the value of one variable for the given value of other variable. Suppose we are given the value of y and we are asked to find the value of x, then this equation is used for the given value of y. So substitute here y and we will get x. And for given value of x to find y, you have to use this equation. So these are the equation to predict x and y, regression equation. Next formula is regression coefficient bxy can also be written as r into sigma x upon sigma y. Sigma means what? Standard deviation. So bxy, here we are writing regression coefficient x on y. So start sigma x in the numerator and sigma y in the denominator. X on y, so y will remain in denominator. Similarly, the next formula is byx. Byx is r into sigma y upon sigma x. R into sigma y upon sigma x. Byx is r into sigma y upon sigma x. This is regression coefficient when standard deviation and coefficient of correlation is given. Next formula is, suppose you are asked to find correlation coefficient with the help of regression coefficient, then you have to write plus or minus under root bxy into byx. Bxy into byx. So r means what? Correlation coefficient that was there in 11th standard also. So in 11th standard we have calculated r with the help of covariance between xy upon sigma x into sigma y. But in 12th standard the value of r is calculated with the help of regression coefficient. So plus minus indicates, suppose bxy and byx both are positive, then you have to take r as positive. If bxy and byx both are negative, then the value of r is also negative. And as we know, the range of r is from -1 to +1. Range of r is from -1 to +1. So with the help of regression coefficient, we can calculate correlation coefficient also. R, small r means what? Correlation coefficient. And bxy, byx are regression coefficient x on y and regression coefficient y on x. So these are the formulae which are useful for regression analysis. So the first formula was covariance between xy. That formula was there in 11th standard also. So covariance between xy, and after that sigma x, standard deviation and standard deviation y. So the new formula of 12th standard starts from here. bxy. Bxy means what? Regression coefficient x on y. Byx, regression coefficient y on x. Regression line or regression equation x on y is given by x minus x bar. Now x bar means what? Mean of x. Now mean of x, we know that mean of x is given by the formula summation of x upon n, and mean of y for raw data, summation of y upon n. So here x minus x bar is equal to bxy y minus y bar. This is regression equation x on y, and regression equation y on x means start from y. So y minus y bar is equal to byx x minus x bar. Similarly, bxy is equal to r into sigma x upon sigma y, when this formula is used when the value of standard deviation or variance of xy and correlation coefficient is given. And with the help of regression coefficient, these bxy, byx are known as regression coefficient and r is known as correlation coefficient. So with the help of regression coefficient, we can find correlation coefficients. So with this we have finished the formulae of regression analysis. In the next lecture we will see the problems or exercise part of regression analysis. Thank you.